What's up guys and welcome back to another video at Abda Customs. So today I'm gonna be doing a review. Received the parcel in the mail all the way from Singapore. It's my first time I received a parcel ever, I think. But yeah guys, here we go. Let's unbox some shit. Right guys, so I took the liberty of opening it up off camera just to make everything go faster. The director seal, but I didn't see what's inside the box. So let's see. Right, that's standard user manual, and wow, look at these puppies. Damn, this is nice. This is nice. Let's just move this out of the way for you. So there you guys can see. They stock for any vehicle, any shape or size. Doesn't matter. I'll give you guys a breakdown of the versions of lights that they do offer. Mind you, this company is based across the waters, so it will take some time for you to, get hold of these products, but I believe it would be worthwhile. So let's go fetch another set of HIDs and see what's different to the old ones and these ones. Okay guys, so right off the bat, I've got two extra sets, or let me just say I got one single LED here, then I have the halogen globes, which is the stock standard globe right there. Let's see how they compare against the Oxito LED lights. So first off, we have the normal H4 halogen bulb. So this is 12 volts and 55 watts. I just don't know what the luminance is for this, and I also don't know how many Ks they shine, or even if they do shine in Ks. I'm not sure about that one. So these shine fairly bright for out of the factory, I would say. And then I have the local bought LED lights here. Okay, so this one comes with a built-in fan as well. I believe this is a newer version of these, but it comes with an extra long piece of wire with a plug. This feels very cheap, but it is effective though. It is effective, but it doesn't last that long. So that's the MSC LED 8000K, and then we have the Oxito 6500K LED. This is made out of flight material, flight aluminium. They use it on airplanes. Pretty strong, pretty versatile. It has two LEDs on each side, and I believe this should be very strong. This is 30 volts, however, and it's also in H4, specifically for the AE92. So I'll be putting it to the test. So these lights work for off-roading. It works for high brightness. It's easy to install. It doesn't, as you see, it doesn't have the extra long lead like this one, so it kind of looks similar to that. Easy install though. And then this also has easy and fast heat dissipation, which means this globe stays cool at all time. Doesn't matter how hot your engine bay is. So yeah, I would believe this would be a very great product by only looking at the the quality that they provide and the time that they have obviously put into creating this. So yeah, let's test them out. Okay guys, so that is the stock bulb that is currently in the car. I actually choose to drive with stock headlights from factory due to strict laws within South Africa, but if these lights are good, I'll make an exception and I'll keep them in the car. So let's go over to the LED that is locally bought. Okay guys, so next up we have the 8000K LEDs that was locally bought. I don't know if it is with my headlights or the casings itself, it's a bit hazy, but even with these lights or the stock lights, I can't really see that far. So I hope that the next product that I'm gonna show you guys improves visibility. I will give a full show off to you guys. It is kind of still daylight, so I'll be waiting till the evening time just to show you guys what the Oxito set does, and I might as well show you guys the other two globes as well. So yeah, let's try the Oxito set now. Okay, so right off the bat, that looks far more brighter. Even though the K and the luminance is less, I still love it. It's so quiet. It's not as loud as the previous LED that we had in here. The fan was making kind of a noise of that's as loud as the car's fan itself. But these lights do look promising. They look very bright. I can't actually wait to test them at night. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see how this turns out, guys. So yeah, guys, right off the bat, I'm extremely happy with the brand that was sponsored to the channel. Oxito, you have done yourself here, and I can't wait to test it at night. So I left one yellow globe in the car and one of the Oxito LEDs just to show you guys how bright these lights will make your life. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so before we go ahead and see what the lights do at night, allow me to read through the booklet here and tell you what they provide to the public in terms of LEDs. I believe they sell light bars as well, so I have seen a couple of videos with the light bars on 4x4s. So they do stock things for off-roading. So first and foremost, they stock H11, 9004, which is the HB1, and then the 9007, which is the HB5, and then the 9003, which is the H4. That is the one that I currently got. The H1, the H3, and the H7. So these bulbs or LED globes come with different fittings. They don't all look the same, but I must say, by what I've seen on photos and through other reviews, is that the quality that they provide in their products is absolutely out of this world. It is made out of aviation material. Let me just correct myself for the previous snippet that I put in. I did say flight material, but it's actually aviation material. Sorry. So yeah, look, I'm actually happy with the product. During the day, you can actually see the difference during the day, and I can't wait to see what it looks like at night, because I mean, with this car, the headlights or the globes that I fit in here, they're not that bright, man. But if you can actually see a difference during the daytime, then you must know that you're actually going to see at night. Okay guys, so it's nighttime, or kind of nighttime. It's a bit darker. I'm gonna do a comparison now with the lights on, so you guys can see. I thought I'm gonna do, the yellow globe and the locally bought LED, and I thought, no, stuff that, man. Let's just go directly into what Oxito can offer. So yeah guys, this is gonna be my first see in the dark and your first see as well. Sorry if the camera is shaking, but the car is currently idling. Don't know if you guys can hear, and it's lumpy as hell. So yeah guys, that's on box. As you can see, it's cold, so that's why it's still idling low. So this would be the mains. Wow! Wow! This light has never been this light. Oh my word, let's see brights. Are you kidding me? This is so cool. Damn, these things will make you blind. Woo! Okay, I'm actually on my way somewhere quickly, so let's try a dry video quickly and see what it looks like. Yo, I'm extremely excited about this. These LEDs are nice. Tonight, look at that. Damn, this is bright. I'll show you guys now another snippet. So just enjoy the POV, man. Let's see. This is so bright. I can see everything in the street. Okay guys, so I'm currently just quickly at the convenience store, alright, at the tuck shop, as we say it in South Africa, and I'm parked right up against the wall, a dark wall. So let's just see how bright these lights are, truly. Wow, that's normal, and that's bright. Wow, this stuff is sharp. This is very sharp. So yeah guys, do you have it? That's what it does in the road. This stuff is extremely bright. Oxito, well done. Well done. This is nice. Let's check the brights out. Brights are brilliant. Oh my word, the brights are brilliant. Damn, I cannot recommend these lights enough, guys. They are amazing. Spicy. Look at this. Just look at this. This is a dark patch of road. Look at that shift. I love it. For some reason this car's spitting. And now when it spits, because I have a single box on the back, straight pipe, it tends to sound like a cracker. So there you have it guys. Let's ease up things a bit. Do yourself a favor and cop yourself a set of Oxito LED globes. I promise that they would make your road ahead brighter than it ever was. Click the link down below, leave us a like, leave us a sub, do comment. We highly appreciate your comments, man. So guys, from me, let me just sit down here, to you, I'm extremely ecstatic about this product, and thank you to Oxito for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending a set of H4s all the way from across the waters to me, and thank you for reaching out to such a small YouTuber, and thank you once again for allowing us to show the world how great your product is. And for now guys, peace.